What's going on, everybody? We are back, and as you all know, I don't do any of the flashy stuff, and we get straight into the content. So I already have the computer screen open. It's not going to be an edited video. Everything is super raw on this channel, showing you exactly how you can make money online. So I have ChatGPT open. Today, we're going to talk about how you could use ChatGPT to start an affiliate marketing business and generate revenue online without you ever having to really create or be on. It's a very semi-passive income model, business model. You're not going to have to be on camera. I'm going to show you how you could create videos without you being on camera and how you can come up with content ideas so you could rinse and repeat and do this on autopilot, essentially. Like post 3 videos a day, multiple platforms, and eventually you're going to start making commissions, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 per month. Nothing to make you astronomically rich, but enough to make you some extra side income. So stick with me today. I'm going to show you exactly how we could do that and how you can start today with no money. No, there's nothing to sell. Take a look. I have ChatGPT open. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an open source AI platform. You tell ChatGPT something, it's going to give you an answer. So I could literally say, what is the best way to make money online? And it's going to tell me. So let's take an example real quick. What are 3 ways to make money online? So if you were to ask the question to ChatGPT, give it a few minutes and it's going to give you an answer, right? When the servers are overloaded, it takes a little bit longer for a response. Sometimes it's faster, but you can see there are numerous ways to make money online. E-commerce, right? Selling a physical product online, right? So drop shipping, you kind of hear about that. That's e-commerce. Affiliate marketing, that's what we're talking about today. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs from various products and services and promote them on your website, blog, or social media platforms. So what this allows you to do is not have the product, right? You could promote somebody else's product and all you have to do is get it in front of the eyes of somebody else who potentially wants to buy the product. Therefore, you can make a commission, right? And the goal here is to find products that will pay you about $1,000, right? Big ticket, because then you only need 2 or 3 sales a month and you're making $2,000 or $3,000 per month, right? $30,000, $40,000 a year, right? So I'm going to show you a product that you could do that with, but what you have to do is you're going to have to come up with ideas. So watch this. I'm going to say, give me 10 motivational quotes to post on social media. Oh, I spelled media wrong. I'm not going to edit the video though. So here are 10 motivational quotes that you can post on social media. Okay, so now we have motivational quotes. You've all seen motivational pages on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, all of the different platforms. You could be on all of them, right? But I didn't have to go create this. I didn't have to do anything. I literally did it in the past 30 seconds that we have been talking. I just came up with 10 different posts, right? So now what you need to do is you need to put this post somewhere, but you don't want to create a video, but you need to create short form videos. So what I want you to do now is jump over to Pexels, Pexels.com. There's more websites similar to this, but in the sake of this video, we're just going to talk about Pexels. What this is, it's a royalty-free image and video website, which means you can use the videos and you can post on websites and it's royalty-free, meaning you're allowed to use these videos at your free will and use them for compensation purposes or whatever you feel like doing, right? So here, search for free photos. Let me just type like the word waterfall, right? It doesn't really matter. It could be motivational, it could be cars, it could be Lamborghinis, right? Whatever you want. But you see here, I have waterfalls. I'm gonna hit filter. You're gonna want to filter by orientation and vertical, okay? So now I have vertical ones. The reason you want it to be vertical is you want it to fit in the screen of a phone, right? So right here, I have a phone screen, it's vertical. So 16 by 9, I think is the dimension size, or who knows, right? But I'm going to download this. You could download these for free. So let's just say I download this. Boom, it downloaded right here to my computer. So now it's downloaded on my computer. Now what I could do is I go over to TikTok, okay? So jump over to TikTok, create an account, and then you upload your video, right? And then you could edit it inside. Let's say we don't edit it inside of TikTok. You want to edit it outside of TikTok. Just go over to Canva, right? Hit create a design, or just down here you can see social media. What would you design today? Social media. And I could just say, let's just say it's Instagram story. That's just the size we want, right? It's all we want is the size. And then I could upload from my downloads. Just hit upload, upload file. Okay, and then if I hit downloads, here's my video, boom. Let it upload. I think people put music in right now. Oh, you gotta select it right here. It's uploaded, and then hit, just double click it. You can drag and drop it, right? I'm gonna get it to fit the screen. Oh, do I have it on image? I may have this on image. I got it on image. Go back home. All right, so on home, you're gonna want to hit videos. That was my fault. Videos, mobile video for your phone, right? And then now you upload the file. You drop your file, hit uploads, drop your file and uploads, click it, and then put it in here, right? And then you can see at the bottom it has a 5-second reel. So it's a 5-second video. See right here. If I hit play, it'll play. It may have audio, so I may have to mute the audio out. But the video is playing. And this video sucks. I should have looked at it over here at Pexels. I should have watched the video. It sucks. It's not even a video. It's an image. I didn't filter by videos. So click videos, filter by videos. Now you have videos, okay? So now if you click them, these are videos. See that? You hover over it, it's a video. This is what you're gonna wanna download and upload. So I'm gonna just download this, okay? I'm gonna jump back over here to Canva. I'm gonna click upload file, and then I'm gonna grab that new one. There it is. Nope, there it is. Boom. So get rid of the image because the image sucks, and add the waterfall. That's a video. Boom, now we got a video, okay? And then from here, it muted it. What I'm gonna do is now you wanna add text, right? You add text, you just add your text here, or you could add the text in the app. But where's the text coming from? The text is coming from ChatGPT. So let me grab this quote, right? Hit copy, come back over here, hit add a subheading, double click it and paste, right? And then you could edit the size of this however you want, just right, like edit, change your colors. Let's say, what color is this? Color, I'm gonna do white, right? Effects, I could do like an outline on it, right? I'm gonna change the outline color, whatever you wanna do, you play with it in here. I'm not gonna get too fancy, but let's just say that's what I'm gonna do, right? And then I'm gonna change the size of the text to fit the screen. Get rid of that number because I don't want a number 1 in there. And then just say, keep fitting up the screen however you feel like you want. Tuck it in to squeeze it in there, right? Drag it in the middle of the screen. Boom, you're good to go. Obviously I don't like the color of the text, probably should have went with white, or not the outline, who knows, whatever, just do a lift. Something like that, right? All right, now what you are gonna do is you're going to save this to your computer, right? Download the file. And you could create multiple ones, right? I'm not gonna download it, but create multiple, create three of them a day. And then what you do is you jump over to TikTok. Go over to TikTok and post them 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, evening, right? And then in the description, be like, hey, if you're tired of being sick of being stuck at where you're at in life and you want to do more, you want to exceed more, you want to make more money online, for the sake of this affiliate offer, we're going to talk about making money online. You could talk about anything. So going to also think about how you're going to monetize this is you're going to monetize promoting somebody else's product, right? So like right here, Legendary Marketer, the link in this description will give you training on how you could actually do this. There's a course down there, it's called Legendary Marketer, right? $7 to get started, but in this program, as an affiliate, I'm an affiliate for them. So the link down below is my affiliate link. If you were to use it and learn how to do it a little bit better and actually dive into this and take this seriously, this course will teach you that. But during that time, I get commissions as an affiliate when people sign up. And they have a 30 to 60% commission percentage. Multiple products, multiple offers, and you get upwards of 60%, making it very, very well worth your time to go help get other people interested in making money online, right? So what you could do is go sign up if you click the link below and you could become an affiliate, right? And when you become an affiliate, now you create motivational stuff, people that are wanting to get out of the rat race, people that are wanting to do that stuff and learn how to make money online. Well, when they click that link and they make a purchase, you will receive the commission respective to the product they purchased, right? So you want to have an affiliate offer. That's the one I recommend. Can you go find them elsewhere? Absolutely. Go to Google and type Best Buy affiliate program. If you want to talk about earbuds or headphones or PlayStations or electronics, right? You could create all your content based off of whatever niche you want to be in and do the same thing. You don't have to be on camera. You use different videos. I could go over here and I could search for gaming videos, right? Look at this. I can go create video, and if I want to promote gaming videos in the gaming industry or computers, say I want to go promote this computer system as an affiliate and get a commission anytime that product sells, I would go create videos like this, post them for free, okay? So go back to TikTok, upload your video. Once you upload your video, you have the ability to download it. Let's say you're on your phone, you could download that video if you edit it in TikTok. If you edit in Canva, you won't have to download it because you could now just post it everywhere. So I do absolutely love Canva for editing your videos. And then you can edit all of your videos, save it to your phone, save it to your device, save it to your computer, and then you go post on TikTok, go post on Instagram, go post on Twitter, go post on LinkedIn, go post on YouTube Shorts, go post on Facebook Reels, right? Now let's say you're posting on 5 different platforms 3 times a day. That's 15 different opportunities to get in front of people. Imagine if every video only gets 100 views. That's 1,500 views. And then if you get 1 or 2 people to click your link in your bio, like, and make a sale, you make 3, 4, 5, 10, $100, right? If you promote something like Legendary, you can make $1,000, right? Legendary's paid me thousands and tens of thousands of dollars, right? I've made multiple lots of monies with Legendary, right? But it's just one item. You can sell anything. Literally, you go over here and type Target affiliate program. It doesn't matter. Earn with Target partners, Target official affiliate partner. It doesn't matter. Earn up to 8% when you promote your favorite Target funds, right? It doesn't matter where you find the product or what products you sell. That's affiliate marketing, right? And that's how it works. Go find it, go become a partner, and then just start posting content. And then when people naturally are nosy and they click the link in your bio that you put out there, Instagram allows you to put it out there right away. TikTok, if you have a business account, you can put it out there right away. People will naturally click your link, and people will inevitably buy products, right? And you don't really have to do anything except get in front of them. All you have to do, and you don't even have to be on camera, and you don't even have to come up with the content ideas. ChatGPT does it for you. So it's never been easier than it is right now to start making money online. If you really want to take this seriously, again, there is that training. We do offer free services, free books, free PDFs. Everything is in that link below. There is paid services as well. It's totally up to you, but we'd be more than happy to work with you and teach you affiliate marketing. So I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, because we post every single day unedited, raw videos of how we make money online, and we do really, really well. We'll see you in the next video.